How has Trinity Church NYC endured centuries of change? Imagine a building standing tall through wars, fires, and city growth for over 300 years. That's the story of Trinity Church in New York City. It all started in 1697 when the church was established under a royal charter. Back then, it served a small Anglican community in a young, bustling colony. Its location on Wall Street, granted by the Crown, helped it stay rooted in the city's heart. The first church building was built in 1690, but was destroyed during the Great Fire of New York in 1776, which happened during the American Revolution. The congregation quickly rebuilt, and the second church was finished in 1790. This new building was larger to match the city's growing population, and even George Washington attended its consecration. But nature had other plans. Heavy snow caused the roof to collapse in 1839, leading to the construction of the current church. Completed in 1846, the neo-Gothic style designed by Richard Upjohn made it a city icon. It was once the tallest building in the United States for over 20 years. Besides its architecture, Trinity's ability to serve New Yorkers changed with the times. As the city expanded, it created smaller chapels like St. George's and St. Paul's to reach more people. Its land holdings, originally granted by Queen Anne, provided financial support for its mission. Over the centuries, Trinity has been part of key moments in American history, from the Revolution to the nation's early days. It survived fires, political upheavals, and urban change while remaining a place of worship and community. Its strength lies in its architecture and its ongoing commitment to serve the city's spiritual and social needs. That's how Trinity Church has stood firm through centuries of change, becoming a symbol of New York City's resilience and heritage.